Hello everyone, I'm recording this video to explain tutorial 6, which is about Spark SQL. Let's go through the tutorial document. Okay. In this tutorial, we want to work with the PySpark commands and we want to analyze data using Spark SQL queries. And finally, we want to visualize our output in Python. In this tutorial, you must submit the output of your work. After you complete the tutorial, you will have a file with the format of IPYNP. And then you have to submit this file through the submission link provided in Moodle. You can use two different environments for executing PySpark commands. So I will explain you how to extract this file from each environment. Okay, let's first do the task one. Task one explain you how to get ready for writing and running these commands. As I said, you can execute your the PySpark commands in two different environments. You can use a Jupyter notebook in VMware, or you can use Google Colab notebook, which is an online platform. First, let me to explain Google Colab. If you want to use the Google Colab, that's really nice because it's an online platform and you don't need to be worried about some of technical issues on your machine. I know some of the students were not able to install VMware or work with Cloudera or Ubuntu image. So now you don't need to be worried because you can use this online platform from any device. You just need internet connection. So this is the link to access to Google Colab. Let me come here. Okay, just cancel it. And then you can say file, new notebook. This is a Colab notebook. Okay, if you want, you can change the name here. You can rename it. For example, since our example is FIFA 18, you can name it as FIFA 18 or any name you want. And you can type your comments here. Okay, I have explained all this with screenshots. Now we want to download our data set. I have provided two different links for you. The first one is the direct URL link, and the second one is is another link this is a Dropbox link actually. So you can use any of them. I'm going to use this one. Okay. Okay, it's here. You can download it from here. And then you can see finally you have a zip file. You need to extract it here. Okay, that's it. You know, I had downloaded it before, that's why. If you extract this, you can see you have 4 different files. I have explained all these data sets in the lecture slides, but I wanted just to tell you in this tutorial, we are going to work with complete data set, which is including all these 3 data sets. So what I need to do, I have to upload this data set in Google Colab. So I back here, and if you click here, then I can say like, okay, here. I can write upload. So I can upload it from here. I can click archive, where is our? Yeah, it's here. Complete dataset. Okay. Okay. Now you can see it has been uploaded here. Now it's ready to be used in this editor. Let me back to the tutorial. Okay, this is what I have done at the moment, and I explained everything, and I said you have to upload this data set into the Google Colab. So we have done it at the moment. Now, what we need to do before start our commands or queries, we need to make sure that we have to write these two set of commands to download and install Spark. Okay. I click it here and then just run it. Also, okay. Let me to take it from here. Spark SQL. Okay. Yeah, if you copy and paste from PDF file, it doesn't work. You have to type it, or you have to copy and paste from Word file. But I'm going to copy and paste because it makes it quicker for me to explain. Okay. Again, run it. So now first I'm updating the location, everything, and then downloading and installing Spark. Okay, let's go and copy the second tag. This one, this tag configure Java and Spark. Okay. It takes a little bit time to install everything here. We have to wait until this finish. Okay, it has been finished. Now I'm gonna to add the new one. You can see if you stay here, you can add a code. I'm gonna to run it again. Okay, it's done. Now it's ready for our following commands and queries. Okay, I have installed PySpark, and now everything is ready here. Okay, this is the one way that you can get ready for typing your commands. Another way is, okay, let's come here. When you finish it, you have to go to task 2. Task 2 is just starting reading data and making your commands, your queries. But if you don't want to use Google Colab, you can use Jupyter. Okay, how you can use Jupyter? You have to use VMware. Okay, and then you can click on big data image. So I've downloaded and open this big data Ubuntu image in the previous lectures, previous weeks, because we have explained it before. But if you didn't, please go to lecture 10 of the, to slide 10 of the first lecture. You can have the link and everything for downloading Ubuntu image. Okay, I click on this and just run it. As you know, and we explained in the two first lecture, when you run this Ubuntu, you have Hadoop and all the other components installed in. The PySpark is installed, everything is installed, and you don't need to be worried about installing this kind of components. So you just need to use it. So, and I explained we explained that the password for this is big data admin. Okay, so we have explained this in the two first lecture. So now you have to open a terminal. Okay, and then you can see here I have explained everything here, and then you have to first go to Spark Home and then run PySpark because it has been installed and it's ready at the moment. Okay, I'm gonna just paste it here and then type PySpark. When you run PySpark, you can see Jupyter will comes up automatically after running PySpark. Okay, this is Jupyter. It's ready, and you just need to go to New Python 3. Okay, now it's ready. So how about the data set that we are going to use? We have to drag and drop our data set into the Cloudera desktop. I will show you how to make this accessible. Okay, come here. We have downloaded this data set before to, okay, so I just want to minimize Jupyter, and what you need to do is just drag and drop complete data set into the desktop. So I'm not going to do this because I have done it before, and you can see the file is here available. Okay, so that's it. And then you have access to the everything, and everything is ready for you. Okay, it's here. Everything is ready for you. You can rename your file here if you want. FIFA 18. Sorry, 18. Rename. Oh, okay. I have this file before. I have created it before. Okay. Let me just to add a dash here. Okay. So you can use any of these options. Now both environment are ready for the rest of the tutorial. Okay, let me back to the, okay, I have explained everything here. And now task 1 is done, and we have to go to task 2. In task 2, we want to read data from CSV file. So our CSV file is complete data set that we have made it available in both environment. So as I explained in the lecture video, the entry point for Spark SQL is using Spark session, you know. So you have to copy and paste. So I mean, it doesn't matter which environment, but from now on, I'm going to use just one environment. So we can use this one or the other one. Okay, any screenshot that I have put in the tutorial document is for Jupyter in Ubuntu. But now in this video, I'm going to show these commands in Google Colab, just for you to have both sides. Okay, let me to go to Google Colab. Okay, I just want to put the, okay, sorry. It's here. Copy. This is the Spark session class. Okay. Okay, that's it. Run it. And then now we want to read data. I have explained all these commands in the lecture video. Just now, we use the same command for Google Colab and for Jupyter, but the only difference is directory. If you are using Google Colab, You don't need to give any special directory because you have uploaded in the environment. But if you are using Jupyter in VMware, you have to give the directory of your desktop here. So this is the only difference. Now I'm using Google Colab. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to read the data from complete data set and put it in a data frame. And then I want to show the content of the data frame. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's it. This is the content of data frame, which is about all the information about the players in FIFA 18 game, you know. Okay, I will go. What you need to do, you have to go through the tutorial, and then now in task 3, everything is ready. We have read the data from dataset and put this in the data frame. Now task 3, we want to practice some of data frame operations that I have explained all of them in the lecture. So I'm not going to go line by line and explain every single command because I have done it at the moment in the lecture video. So what you need to do, you have to just use this, just practice these commands, copy here and see the result. Okay, that's it. This is the information about, this is the name of the columns, information about the columns. So, and you have to go line by line, writing the commands and see what is the results. Of course, you know what is the connection between these commands and getting these results because I have explained it in the lecture video. You go one by one and do all this, practice all these commands. Step 4, we practice SQL queries and we practice visualization. So you can see the query here. I have provided 4 different queries for you, and also you can visualize it here based on the commands that I have explained in the lecture slides. This is what you need to do. After finishing this, you have to go to all through the tutorial document. When you complete it, then you can extract, you can save this information as a IPYNB file. You can see here, just download it. And then what you need to do, you have to submit this file through the submission link. This is for the Google Colab, and for Jupyter, you can see it has been saved as this format. You know, you just need to, if you back here, you can see it's here. You just need to take it from here and then submit it for me. That's it. It's ready. And you can see this is at the moment it's saying it's running. You can shut it down. Okay. And now you can download it from here. You can save it, save the file, and you can access it from here. Your file is here. You can submit it from here because this is the Firefox. You can go to your Moodle and submit it here in Ubuntu, or if you want, you can just drag this from here to any directory you want. I just to explain you. That's it. You can just take it, drag it, and drop it here. Then you will have it in your Windows desktop, whatever you want. Okay, that's it. And Let me. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.